Welcome to today's video, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ali Hobart, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you all about Amazon FBA New Selection Program. What we're going to be covering is what it is, the eligibility, the program's benefits, and how to enroll. So let's get to it. First, what is FBA New Selection? This is a program to incentivize sellers to list new to Amazon products by offering several benefits. So simply put, Amazon wants to expand their catalog. They want to offer more products to shoppers. So they're offering you lots of benefits, not only if you're a new seller, but also if you're an existing seller. Now, how are you eligible to enroll in this program? First, you need to have a professional seller account. So unfortunately, if you have an individual seller account, you cannot enroll in the FBA New Selection. Second, you need to have an IPI score of 400 or more. And IPI stands for Inventory Performance Index. So you need to have that score above 400. And if you're a complete new seller and have not been assigned an IPI score yet, then you're automatically eligible. Next, this program is only eligible for new parent ASINs, so no variations or child ASINs. So for example, if I'm selling a blue water bottle and I'm going to list a brand new ASIN, but it's just a variation of that product, for example, a green water bottle, that is not going to be eligible for the program. I would have to offer a complete new ASIN, just like a t-shirt or anything else that it's not part of that water bottle family. And of course, you're not able to enroll in this program if you're just selling a product that already exists on Amazon's catalog. So if you're doing some sort of arbitrage or anything like that to where the ASIN already exists and you're just offering your option, then you're not able to enroll in this program. And lastly, you have to have this ASIN be fulfilled by Amazon. So you need to ship your products to Amazon's warehouse for them to do all of the fulfillment. You cannot enroll your ASIN, or at least you're not going to get any of the benefits if you're fulfilling the products yourself. And now for the best part. What are the program's benefits? So first, you get free monthly storage for 90 days. And depending on your product category, for example, apparel, I believe you get a little bit longer time of free monthly storage. And that is really great because in the beginning, you most likely will not have, like the sales velocity that you hope to get after you get a little bit more established. So while your inventory is sitting in Amazon's warehouse, you don't have to pay anything for monthly storage for 90 days. Next, you also get free liquidations within the US. So if you're worried about what if my product doesn't sell, what am I going to do with all of this inventory within Amazon's warehouse? Amazon offers a liquidation program where they partner with wholesalers and offer your product at a discounted price and recover some of that value for you. And usually you have to pay a fee in order to take advantage of this program, but for ASINs enrolled in the FBA New Selection, you do not have to pay anything as long as you do the liquidation in the US. You also get free return processing fees. So if a customer purchases your product and for whatever reason they decide to return it, usually Amazon charges a fee for every item returned. But in this program, you get free processing fee returns for up to 20 items. And again, some product categories may be a little bit different. You might get a little bit more eligible returns without charging you any fees, but you can see all of the details in the link that I'm going to leave in the description below for your specific case. So a specific category, you're going to see all of the corresponding numbers. And lastly, this is one of their latest updates to the program, and that is if you're brand registered, you get 5% rebate on eligible ASINs. So Not all of the ASINs that are eligible to enroll in the program and that are enrolled are eligible for this rebate. But again, you can check in the link below if your specific ASIN and your specific category and situation is eligible for this 5% rebate. And now, how do you actually enroll in this program? If you're a brand new seller, you're automatically enrolled. But if you're an existing seller, you do have to manually enroll in the program, and you can see where to do that also in the link in the description below. Or you can go to your search box within Seller Central and type FBA New Selection, and you just have to open the help page and you're going to see the link to enroll, and you just have to agree to all of their terms and conditions and you're good to go. And one more thing, they also offer global enrollment. So if you're enrolling in your US marketplace, you don't have to do that for all of the other marketplaces that you sell. You're going to automatically be enrolled in all of them. And that's it. That's the overview of the FBA New Selection program. And to me, this is a no-brainer. So I would definitely recommend that you do enroll. But if you have a different opinion, if you have a different experience with the program, be sure to share with the community in the comments below, and also put in the comments below any questions that you may have. And I do hope that you found this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to press that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. We have tons of helpful tutorials and videos just like this one. So be sure to look through our existing videos as well here in the channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.